Get ready for an adrenaline-packed tech surprise. Brace yourselves as the amazing OnePlus Ace 2 Pro is set to blast off on August 16th, and guess what? The rumors were not just rumors, they were rock-solid truths. This powerhouse of a phone is about to unleash a jaw-dropping 24 gigabytes RAM. Yes, you heard it right. It's like giving your phone a turbo boost with a hopping 24 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM, making it a true performance beast. Hold on, the excitement doesn't end there. While OnePlus has kept us guessing about the storage for the 24 gigabytes RAM model, the rumor mill suggests a mind-boggling 1 TB onboard storage thanks to Antutu's whisperings. There's also an epic 16 gigabytes RAM version in the mix, possibly coming with a speedy 256 gigabytes or 512 gigabytes storage. Talk about having all the space you need. And that's not all. Brace yourself for more jaw-dropping features. The Ace 2 Pro is powered by the mighty Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC, ensuring lightning-fast performance for all your tech adventures. The visuals. Prepare to be amazed by the 6.74 120Hz 1.5K OLED screen, bursting with HDR10 Plus support and a pixel density of 450 pi. It's like stepping into a world of vibrant colors and stunning clarity. But wait, there's a secret weapon powering this beauty, a robust 5,000 mAh battery. And guess what? It charges up like a superhero, going from zero to hero in just 17 minutes with the blazing 150W GaN charger that comes right in the box. Oh, did we mention it also supports 45W USB PD? Now that's lightning charging speed. With the big reveal just 6 days away, you can bet OnePlus has more tricks up its sleeve, ready to ignite the excitement even further. Get ready to be blown away by the Ace 2 Pro. Peace out.